What's going on, everyone? Destin here, back at it again with another switch review video, and today we'll be talking about the BSUN Ocean Tactile Switches. Now, in my opinion, these switches offer a small to medium-sized tactile bump that provide an outstanding experience when typing on. And with the materials used for the switch, the Ocean Tactiles definitely offer a signature clacky sound. Breaking things down, each pack costs $3.80, with each pack consisting of 10 switches. Designed by WJBY and manufactured by BSUN. They have stem material of lead, top housing of polycarbonate, bottom housing of nylon. They operate at 50 grams and bottom out at 63.5 grams. Pre-travel of 2.0 mm and a total travel of 3.3 mm. And they do come factory lubed. There's no information on the site in regards to what kind of springs these switches use, so my sincere apologies. Using a cherry style switch opener, we'll go ahead and take these Ocean Tactile switches apart to get a better look at each component individually. First up, we'll have our top housing that consists of a polycarbonate in a nice ocean blue with specks throughout the top housing. Up next, we'll have our Lee stems that do offer some factory lubing along the legs as well as the rails. For these BSUN Ocean Tactiles, we got the springs for 50 grams actuation and a 63.5 gram bottom out. And lastly, our bottom housing that consists of nylon and a very dark charcoal gray. Taking a closer look, you can really see those specks pop in the ocean blue polycarbonate top housing. The Lee stem in the nice light blue really complements things well. They're a 5-pin PCB mount switch. Let's take a listen. Definitely some pretty clacky switches. Up next, we'll go ahead and take a look into the tolerances on the BSUN Ocean Tactiles. And I gotta say, things are looking pretty good. Extremely tight when it comes to tolerances. Not really much vertical wobble or horizontal wobble happening here. Gotta say a 10 out of 10. Regarding the housing tolerance, they feel good when placed inside of a keyboard. Maybe able to get away with the plateless build. Keycaps fit nice and tight, no signs of things popping off. Let's take a listen to how the BSUN Tactile sound in board. Pretty clacky. We'll toss a full set of these inside of the Neo 75 CU, no foams, carbon fiber plate, and the new Kikobo Soju keycaps. Let's take a listen.